The N7 protocol puzzle event is now live on Rollercoin, and we've also got a race tournament that's going on. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so it looks like we're going to outer space with Rollercoin with the N7 protocol puzzle event. So on my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin. You can also see that there is currently a race tournament going on, and there's still 7 hours remaining for this race tournament. Let's kick off with the race tournament just so we can explain exactly what is going on with this race tournament and what you need to be able to enter the race tournament. So here, if we click on go, what you need to do is basically open a lucky loot box, okay? So if you open one lucky loot box, you'll be in the running in this race here to get to the very top, where at the moment we can see there is SAMP 15, and you'll be able to win this miner here, which is the Hamio JJP101, and will give you 3.5 petahash in power. This is the uncommon version of this Hamio, okay? So that is quite a significant amount of power as well. You also get 2000 RST and 10 petahash in temporary bonus power if you manage to make it to first place in this race tournament. So the more lucky loot boxes that you open, then the better of a chance that you have at getting that top spot. Now remember that when you're opening lucky loot boxes, you'll also be contributing to some of the quests and tasks that you have in the puzzle event. So for example, here you've got open any 7 lucky loot boxes, okay? I'm at 3 loot boxes so far. You've also got 18 lucky loot boxes. You've got 34 lucky loot boxes, 62 lucky loot boxes, 124 lucky loot boxes, and starting off with 3 which I've already completed, okay? So you'll be able to reveal some pieces as well there by opening those lucky loot boxes, giving you a better chance at that top spot in the race tournament as well. Plus you'll be getting double the rewards for each and every 4 tasks that you complete in this puzzle event. Once you've completed 4 tasks in this puzzle event, you will get the very first miner, which is the Blup, and this has 26 terahash. If you open 8, you'll get the amethysts here at 2 petahash, and if you open 12, you'll get the SR2 to travel and blast yourself off into outer space at 6.8 petahash per second, okay? For every 4 tasks completed, you'll be getting double the rewards in the puzzle event, because you'll also be uncovering pieces for each and every task that you complete, but for every 4, you'll also be getting a reward from the progression bar at the top, okay? As you can see here, there are some quite significant rewards, and you can see that we also have the SR2 as one of the pieces here at 6.8 petahash, and that's got a 1% bonus attached to it. So you can merge these two if you manage to get both miners, and this time it's a 12 stage progression at the top of this puzzle event, not 16 like the previous puzzle event, okay? So you can get there even faster. So the tasks to complete here, let's go through them really quickly. So if you exchange 3 RLT, you'll be completing a task. If you exchange 12, you'll be completing another task. Remember that when you've got similar tasks like this, if you've already exchanged 3, then you need to exchange another 9 to get that 12 and not the entire 12, okay? So you'll be a quarter of the way already there in this case. Win 25 games, I've won 16 so far, so I'm almost there with this one. Open any 7 lucky loot cases, I'll be probably doing that for sure. Exchange 28 RLT, win 50 games, open 18 loot boxes, exchange 58 RLT, win 100 games, open 34 loot boxes, exchange 112 RLT, win 150 games, open 62 RLT cases, open 124 RLT cases, and the others were win 10 games and open 3 loot boxes, which I've already done, okay? So even playing games here up to 150 games, you'll be able to get all the game tasks completed and open quite a few pieces there as well. There is also the collector here at 2.1 petahash in power and 1% bonus attached to that as well. We've got a couple of temporary bonuses here with 3.5 petahash for 7 days, and I've already gotten 2 of those uncovered, so there were actually 4 of those. You've got RST here to claim as well, 240 RST, 480 RST, 360 RST, and 120 RST. Volt Surge, 675 terahash at 0.75% bonus power. If you place the miners on your rack, those bonuses will apply, and if you don't already own the miner. The Blub, we've already seen this one at the very top, which is the first reward at 26 terahash, but you do get 0.5% bonus power there attached to it as well. We've got a Hameo here, another Hameo that we've seen in the race tournament as well. But this is the common version. In the race tournament, it was the uncommon version. Okay, so you can potentially get this and add that to the power of the uncommon one, and you'll be getting even more power there and even more bonus power as well. The SR2 we've mentioned already, and New Milano 2 is 1 petahash here at 0.5% bonus. If you've already got this miner, you can potentially merge it into a more powerful miner. And the Amethyst at 2 petahash, which you can get after completing 8 tasks here as well. You can merge those two and get an even more powerful miner and some percentage bonus, okay, because it's got 0%, so you can add some percentage bonus. I've already got a couple of these in my room as well, so I'll definitely be looking into merging at least one of these or 2 of these and getting an uncommon, and then merging those 2 uncommons maybe into a rare miner to get even more power as well. So that is the N7 protocol puzzle event and the race tournament that's currently going on. Good luck with both. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.